everyone! Today we are diving into the adorable glitter filled with LOL dolls. I'll show you how to draw this cutie, and I created my own LOL doll. It's so cute! And if you want to see it, watch this video till the end. So let's start. Let's start with our LOL doll's face. So we're gonna start from right over here to make the shape of her face. Okay, that's the shape. So now let's draw her bangs. She has bangs. I love bangs. Who here loves bangs? You tell me in the comment section. Okay, now let's draw a straight line to connect our bangs. Okay, now let's make some details on her hair. So let's draw some details like lines like for details of a bangs. Looks cute, so that's why I'm drawing them. Connect. And we're also going to draw, I don't know what to call it, but it looks so pretty. Okay, now let's draw her face. Let's draw her eyes. That's her signature style. That shows that it's a LOL doll, for sure. A bright big circle with another circle inside it. And some details. That's for the details, and now let's color in it. It really doesn't show that much white sprinkly dots on that, but it's okay. At least our drawing is gonna look cute. Let's add the details with this. So let's trace it back so that it looks visible to you guys. Okay, now let's draw her second eye. Wait, let's draw her eyelashes first. Okay, done with her eyelashes. Let's draw another circle. And the white circles. I'm going to try to draw them a bit bigger because over here I tried drawing a bit smaller ones. So that's why it's too small. So now let's color in it. Okay, now let's draw the eyelashes. they're different. Okay, now let's draw the lips, the little baby lips. So we're going to draw something like that. Oh my goodness, that's how LOL dolls lips are like, and they come with little bottles. I didn't open the mouth, I closed the mouth. I did the opposite so that the bottle doesn't go inside, because I don't want her to sip her little bottle. Guys, do tell me in the comments section down below your favorite LOL doll. I think Queen Bee is my favorite. She's so pretty. And there's one more. I forgot her name, but she looks like a unicorn. If you guys know her name, do tell me in the comment section so I know more knowledge about the doll. So her hand's coming kind of like that, in a different kind of way. I think I made that line in the wrong place. Think that's good. Okay. It's okay, mistakes happen. Let's add some details. Now let's complete her frock. A pretty little dress. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. I love this design at the end of a frock. It looks so adorable. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay, now let's draw some details. I also want to draw some wiggly lines right over here. And we're also going to draw some details. That looks so cute and realistic. This design on the front looks so good. Okay, I'm just giving shape to my drawing. Now let's start making her legs. 2 lines coming right over here and 2 coming from right over here. Now let's draw boots. Little boots like that. Now also we're gonna make them over here. And for also these boots, we repeated the same step. And we're gonna also draw this. LOL dolls have them for their knees. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. So now it's there, we got our product. It's our cute little LOL doll that I created by myself. I thought of making this LOL doll. I wanted to make a difference, and thanks for watching my videos. And If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And thanks for watching. See you again. Bye.